Hello everyone, how are you? Hopefully all of you are fine. So today I am here with a new mathematical topic, that is today I am going to talk about the Vedic Maths. And as you know that Vedic Maths is one of the easiest and the simplest way to do maths. So without wasting any further time, let us learn a few tricks to help you to solve the mathematical problems in the more easier way. Okay, so in the screen let me put out the heading like Vedic Maths, what I am going to discuss today. So as I told you already that Vedic Maths is the simplest and easiest way when we are going to do any kind of a difficult calculation in mathematics. So let us try out it using some examples. So the first thing today I am going to do is the multiply by 11. Okay, so I am putting the heading in the screen. Yes, so it is done. Now I am going to multiply some number by 11. So let the number be 32. Okay, so now I am going to multiply this 32 by 11. So let us follow some steps. Okay, so when I am just multiplying 32 by 11, the first thing I am going to do is I am going to separate 3 and 2. So one side I am writing 3 and in the other side at the end I will be writing 2, and in between I am going to keep 3 plus 2. Okay, in between 3 and 2 I am going to keep 3 plus 2. So therefore the number what is coming out after calculation, that is 352. And yes, that's your answer. Isn't it so easy, guys? Okay, so let us try out some another examples. Coming to the example 2. Okay, I brought the board. Coming to the second example. So let us multiply 45 by 11. I am giving it to you guys. 1, 2, 3. Yes, hopefully all of you are done. Yes, all of you are correct. The answer will be 495. So let me explain it for you once again. I am going to separate 4 and 5. I am going to keep 4 and 5 in the left hand side and the right hand side. In between I am going to keep the number, that is the addition of the two numbers, that is addition of 4 and 5. So the ultimate number what is coming out, that is 4, 9 and 5. Yes, that's your answer, guys. Thank you. Let's move ahead with the next example. Okay, so let us come out with a new number, that is 75. Let us multiply 75 by 11. Okay, so as we are doing, I am going to put 7 and 5. I am going to separate 7 and 5. So just I am separating. I am keeping 7 in the left hand side. I am keeping 5 in the right hand side. And as you know that in the middle I am going to put the addition of them. Therefore 7 plus 5, that is 12, na? But I am not going to put 12 in between. 2 I will be putting over there, and 1 will be the carryover. And this carry 1 will be added to the previous one, so 1 will be added with 7. So therefore the ultimate number what is coming out, that is 8, 2 and 5. Okay, so hopefully all of you have understood and hopefully all of you have enjoyed the tricks. Once again I am explaining it to you. I am going to separate 7 and 5 as I told you, and in between I am going to keep the addition of 7 and 5. Therefore it is 7 plus 5, 12, but I am not putting 12 in between. 2 I am putting over there, and 1 will be the carryover. This 1 will be added to the previous one, and here the previous one is 7. So the ultimate answer what is coming out, that is 8, 2 and 5, and this is your final answer. So let me tell you the story behind this, or let's say the principle behind this is, let me write it down in the screen. So it is, within first bracket I will be writing 10a plus 5 10a plus b. I'm very sorry, 10a plus b, and within another bracket it will be 10 plus 1. Okay, so now if I'm taking the first example over here, so in the first example we have multiplied 32 by 11. So here it is 11, I can see here it is 11 na? So I have to make it 32. So we have to make the 10a plus b to 32. So to make it 32 we have to take a as 3 and we have to take b as 2. So here a equals to 3 and b equals to 2. Okay, and if I am simplifying this result na, it will be coming out like 100a plus 10 into, that means within first bracket I am writing a plus b and ultimately plus b. Yes, now you put all the numbers like a equals to 3 and b equals to 2. So 100 into 3 plus 10 into 3 plus 2 and lastly plus 2. So after calculation you will be getting 352 only. So this was the principle behind this formula. So hopefully all of you have enjoyed, and can you imagine within a fraction of seconds we are doing this kind of a calculations na? What is going to take a lot of time if I am using the usual method. Okay, so let us jump out to the next example. So today the next thing is that I am going to discuss the base method. So let me rub the board. I am putting the heading the base method. So now let me explain what is base method and why it is called base method. This method is used to multiply the numbers those which are very close to the base. Base means the powers of 10, like the numbers 10, 100, 1000 and so on, like this. Okay, so now let us multiply two numbers which are very close to the base. Let us take the first example as 99 into 97. 99 into 97, sorry, I have written 7, sorry, let me rub the board. It will be 99 into 97. So I will be writing it vertically in the multiplication method, 99, 97. So I am just going to ask you that 99 is very close to 100, but it is less than 100 na? By how much it is less than 100? 0, 1, that means or 1. And 97 by how much it is less than 100? 0, 3. Now the next step, the next thing I am going to subtract crosswise. I am going to subtract crosswise. Okay, so whenever you are subtracting crosswise, like 97 minus 01, or it can be like 99 minus 03, both the things will be coming out 96. And the next thing will be, I will be multiplying vertically. Yes, multiplying vertically the numbers. So I will be willing to put up one arrow over there, so for the better understanding. So you can put it arrow over here, so for the better understanding. So when I am multiplying 0, 1 and 0, 3, the answer will be coming out 0, 3 na? So yes, the ultimate answer is coming out like 9603. Isn't it so easy, guys? And isn't it taking a very less time? Okay, so that's the answer, 9603. Okay, so therefore coming to the next example, and let me explain you the same. So the next example is 98 into 97. So let me put it in the vertical form from the beginning only. So yes, you are correct, 98 is lesser than 100, and by how much? Minus 02. And similarly for 97 by minus 03. Next thing is that again I am going to cross subtract all the things, like 97 minus 02, it will be 95, or if I am doing 98 minus 03, it will be also 95. The next thing is that in the right hand side I am going to multiply it vertically. So when I am multiplying 02 by 03, the answer will be coming out 06. Okay, so therefore the final answer is 9506, and yes, that's your answer. Okay, so let us multiply 3-digit numbers using the same method and which are very close to the base. Okay, so the third example for today for you, and here it is, 996 997. So I am going to multiply 996 by 997. So the first thing, the thing that comes to my mind is the very close number, the very close base number which is very close to 996 and 997. It is 1000. I am correct? Okay. So by how much it is lesser than 9000? 996 is, if I am talking about, by 004. Yes, and similarly 997 is lesser than 1000 by 003. Yes, the same thing I am going to do. I am going to cross subtract. So when you are cross subtracting, so 997 minus 004, or it can be like 996 minus 003, the ultimate thing will be coming out 993. Okay, the next thing, I am going to multiply the numbers what are there in the right hand. I am going to multiply the numbers vertically. So therefore it will be coming out like 004 into 003. So the ultimate number will be coming out 012. Okay, so not 0012. I am making a mistake. So ultimately the answer will be coming out 012. Okay. So once again I am explaining the whole process. When I am multiplying 996 by 997, the very close number, the very close base number is 1000, which are very close to 996 and 997. So therefore we need to calculate that by how much it is lesser than 1000. So it will be like minus 004 for the first one, and it will be like minus 003 for the second one. So the similar process what we did earlier for the last few examples, we are going to do the same method. Cross subtract we are going to do. So cross subtract means 997 minus 004 and or it is 996 minus 003. Both the answer will be coming out like 993. And the next thing is that we will be multiplying the numbers which are there in the RHS vertically. So therefore 004 into 003, the answer will be coming like 012. So the ultimate answer is 993012, and yes, it's your answer. Hopefully all of you have enjoyed these tricks. Okay, thank you so much. Now coming to the next heading for today. Let me put the heading like mental squaring of numbers more than 100. Mental squaring of numbers more than 100. So mental squaring means without using the calculator, the numbers which are greater than 100, we are going to calculate their square. So let us try out first from the first one, like 101. So let us find out the square of 101. So let me put it out like 101 and 101 vertically. Once again I am asking you that the number which is very close to 101, that is 100, and 100 is a base, and 101 is greater than 100. So therefore I am going to put plus 01 over here, plus 01 over here. Okay, and for the second one also it will be like plus 01 over here. Okay, again the same thing, since here the plus sign is over there, so here we are going to do the cross addition, not cross subtraction. Since the plus addition is over there and it is greater than the base, so therefore I am going to do the cross addition. So if I am doing the cross addition like 101 plus 01, so the ultimate answer will be coming like 102. Again the next thing will be vertically multiplication, so 01 into 01, so it will be like 01 only. So yes, the answer is 10201. No, sorry, it will be like 01. I am going to multiply 101 into 01. The ultimate answer will be 01 into, by mistake I have put it over 2 over here, so sorry, the answer will be 01. Okay, so yes, this is answer 10201. So let me try out with 103. Let me rub the screen quickly. So when I am going to just find out the square of 103, I have to write it in the vertical way, like 103 into 103. 103 is greater than the closer base 100 by 03. So here I am writing plus 03, and for the second one also same thing, plus 03. I am going to do the cross addition. 103 plus 03, that will be 106 only. Next I am going to do the vertical multiplication. So the ultimate answer will be coming like 09. Okay, so the ultimate answer will be 10609. Okay, so in this way you can find out the numbers of you can find out the mental squaring, the numbers which are greater than 100. Okay,